video tutorial, we will see how to print alphabet square pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. Here in this pattern, every line contains 6 alphabet characters. Along with every alphabet character, a single space character is appended. The number of A's are gradually decreasing line by line, and number of B's are gradually increasing line by line. So let's type code to print this pattern. Declare and initialize a variable I with 0. We are going to use nested while I less than 6. 6 is nothing but the required number of iterations. At the end of every iteration, increase I value by 1. So here I will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So at the end of 6th iteration, I value will become 6. 6 less than 6, condition false, and iteration is going to stop here. To print this type of pattern, we are going to use nested while loop with a variable j while j less than 6, and at the end of nested while increase j value by 1. So let's print a separated with single space character. After printing single line, to begin from new line, we are going to use print method outside this nested while loop. Save the file, run the file in the terminal. Now to print B. We are going to use a variable j with value 5 and k list appended with L value. If j value is available inside list, then print B separated with single space character, else print A. At the end of every iteration of outer while loop, reduce L value by 1. Append L value inside the list. Save the file, run the file in the terminal py_.py. This is our expected alphabet square pattern. In the next video tutorial, we will see another type of alphabet square pattern.